just going to run the Disruptor for the first time with all the new gear on the back. I haven't got the trim tabs and turn fins done yet, but we've got the rudder with the metal bracket and also the stinger that's adjustable. I've got it set dead level. If I needed to adjust it down, like, you know, if it was bouncing around too much, I could just pull it down a little bit. On this boat there's never going to be ever a reason to pull it up. It would just be making the boat bounce out the water too much. Now there's a lot of stuff floating in the water here, but it does have a kickback function, so I hope I don't need to use that. Let's just see what she does. Sounds good. This rudder is just a couple of mil wider than the stock one, so I suppose that gives it better turning. Just got to watch out for sticks and stuff here. Well, that just died, Brock. Oh no. Oh, I just went out of range. Maybe my battery may not be too good in this. I know there's stuff here. Going all right. I actually think the rudder might be kicked back a bit because it's turning a bit funny. Let me see. And it is it? Yeah, it is. Well, that's a good thing. It's bad that it did, but it's good that it did. I've got it pretty tight. I have to loosen that off.
Push it back in, hopefully.
There we go. Just tighten it back up.
Back up a little. Not so tight this time, or?
Oh, yeah, do it tight.
Right.
Yeah, just how it was. So it's never going to come back on its own, but if we hit something that's doing its job. Exactly. That's better. I think it went out of range down there because it died. Yeah, I think my battery in the controller, not the best. That hit something then. That's the way it bounced then. Actually sitting really well. Yeah. I'm actually like flooring it and it's not like bouncing around all over the place.
Yeah.
Remember the other day it was had to ease into it?
It did that real bad chine roll thing first.
Yeah.
A little bit.
It's liking its life. Nah. Yeah. Love that rudder.
That's really good the other way still too.
Yeah.
How we took some out.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that. on a stick. Well, that'll work. This is, by the way, it's also got a wire drive in it. I'm going to sell these with a wire drive in it for a little bit less resistance. So the Stinger's coming with as a kit with a wire drive.